Hello beautiful friends, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we're whipping up an incredible overloaded chicken stuffed baked potato recipe. This is a recipe that you don't want to miss, so if you're interested in seeing more of how I make this recipe, keep on watching. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So to get this recipe started, I've got two beautiful potatoes. We're going to go ahead and use a fork and just poke some small holes into the potato, and then we're going to continue with this recipe. Now that the potato is ready, we're going to add some salt onto the potato. So I am using sea salt, but if you have regular table salt, you can use it as well. And that looks pretty good right there. We're going to turn the potato around to that side, and then we're going to close the foil paper and set these to bake for about 30 minutes, 30 to 35 minutes. And 450 degrees. Now we are going to get our chicken ready. So I am using chicken thighs, 4 pieces of chicken thighs, the boneless chicken thighs. We're going to cut them in small bite-sized pieces, and then we're going to continue with this recipe. Okay guys, so this is what our chicken thighs looks like once it's cut into small bite-sized pieces. We're going to go ahead and season the chicken thighs. So we're going to use Cajun seasoning and all-purpose seasoning. All these seasonings are so flavorful. Just give that a nice mix and go ahead and add half of the seasoning onto the chicken. Now we're going to mix very well to combine the seasoning onto the chicken. And that looks absolutely beautiful, guys. That looks fully seasoned. Now we're going to get our pot ready. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into the pot. Now is the perfect time to place the chicken pieces inside of the pot. We're going to cook the chicken for about 4 to 5 minutes. Once the chicken is cooked through, we are going to remove the chicken from the pot. We're going to set the chicken to the side. We're going to get our veggies ready. So we're going to add fresh peppers and fresh onion into the pot. So I am using red pepper and yellow pepper. Now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Just give that a nice mix. Now we're going to add 2 cups of heavy cream. Now we are going to add the remainder of our seasoning and give that a very nice mix. Now we are going to add just a splash of sea salt and black pepper to taste. Now we are going to go in with our cheese to add lots of flavor and texture to this sauce. Then give that a nice mix. Now we're going to set the sauce to simmer down. We're going to get our potato from the oven. That's what it looks like. It's very hot, so be very careful. Now we're going to take our knife and we're going to cut the potato across just like that on the top. Now we're going to get our spoon and scoop the potato out, put that on a plate. We're going to set that to the side for later. Now we are going to add our cheese sauce onto the potato. Now we're going to give that a very nice mix to combine the cheese sauce into the potato. That looks cheesy and it smells delicious. Now we are going to get our beautiful potatoes ready. We're going to go in with our flavorful chicken. Now we're going to add our chicken into the potato, just like that. Now we are going to go in with our cheesy potato. We're going to add lots of that on top. Next, we're going to add some bacon. This is optional, guys, but if you guys like bacon on your potato like I do, please go ahead and add those bacon pieces. And that looks pretty good. As you guys can see, we're going to add some cheese, lots of cheese. Now we're going to add more chicken on top. Now we're going to add some more cheesy potato on top of that, and that looks so good. The smell is so beautiful. Go ahead and add some more cheese. That looks like a cheesy, overloaded, stuffed baked potato, guys. Look at that. It looks so delicious. The smell is amazing. We're going to set this on our baking tray. We're going to bake these beautiful potatoes for 10 minutes. So we are going to bake on 350 degrees for 10 minutes. After baking for 10 minutes, this is the final results. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please give this video a like, share, and also subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. I hope to see you beautiful people in my next video. Thanks for stopping by. Bye guys.